Lecture 15. Getting started with MS Word. Hello kids! Welcome to Lecture 15, where we'll start learning about something super useful and fun. Microsoft Word. It's like having a magic notebook where you can type, edit, and print your work. Let's dive in and see what it's all about. After learning this lecture, students will be able to describe the word processing tool, describe different functions of the MS Word window, create, save, and print document. Ready? Let's get started. What is word processing? Word processing is like having a digital writing buddy. With it, you can type documents like letters or stories, edit them to make them look just right, and even print them to share. Cool, right? Why use MS Word? MS Word is not just for typing. You can do so much more. Copy, paste, or delete text easily. Make your text bold, underlined, or even italic. Add tables, pictures, and correct spelling mistakes. It's like having an art and grammar teacher in one. Parts of the MS Word window. Let's explore MS Word's toolbox. Quick Access Toolbar. This is where you can quickly save your work or undo a mistake. Ribbon. It's full of tabs with commands for every task you can imagine. Document pane. This is your workspace to type and create. Rulers. These help you align and adjust your work neatly. Scroll bar. Use it to move up or down your document. Document views. Choose how you want to see your work. Print layout or web layout. Zoom control. Make your page bigger or smaller as needed. Isn't that fun? What can you do in MS Word? Some of the cool things you can do include opening MS Word with a simple click, creating new documents to write your ideas, saving your work so it's never lost, printing your masterpiece to share with family and friends. How to open MS Word? You can open MS Word in two simple ways. Click on the Word icon on your desktop, or type Word in the search bar. Easy peasy. How to create a new document? Want to start writing? Here's how. Click the MS Office button. Select New, then Blank Document. Hit Create, and voila! Your blank canvas is ready for your creativity. How to save your document. Saving is like putting your work in a safe space. Follow these steps. Click the Save button on the toolbar. Choose where you want to save it. Give your document a name and click Save again. Done! How to print your document. Want a hard copy of your work? Here's what you do. Go to the Print pane. Select your printer and the number of copies. Click Print. Now, your work is ready to be shared. Thank you. Thank you for following along.